it's me, Jess, and I'm back with another video on a wig install. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. Hopefully this can help you out in looking cute in a couple of minutes. You know what I'm saying? Like when you're going out and your hair look like this. Okay, you know how hard it is to get these curls back to life and how long it takes to dry? Something you don't want to do. Okay, so let's get right into it. First, what I'm going to do is put some water in my hair. Spray, spray, spray. Then I'm going to brush it as flat as I can. As flat as I can. I'm gonna tie it up. Hopefully it doesn't break. Okay. And pin it with a bobby pin. Put this hair back so you guys can see what I'm doing. Let's go right in it, right into it. Because if I keep waiting, I'm not gonna do it. So that's my ear right there, right? Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. It has these straps. You can adjust them. You can make them tighter. You can make them looser. Whatever you want. If you got a big ass head, you know, you leave it like it is. So I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue. I'm gonna put this all over my front of my forehead. And one back. I'm not gonna make it as heavy as I did before because it just gets so messy. So we're not doing that. So let's try it up a little bit. Put it in the forehead. Somewhere you think it's okay. Hold on, I gotta look in the mirror. Some on the other side. Stick it down. Let it sit there. I'm about to cut your ass right out. Into my, okay. A little bit of oil in my hair so that the flyaways are, you know, taken care of, okay? Okay, so this is how I install my wigs. I am not a professional. I just do this for fun and because I like wigs and I just like dealing with hair. I hope this can help you save your coins because Lord knows this is expensive to keep going to get your hair done. So I hope this helped you out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you next time. I will see you next time. I will see you. I will. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share. Do all of that. Okay? Because I need all of that. All right? See you next time.